Hey. I'm not really taking over my mom's channel. She just has to stay at the other house for the movers and I have to be here for the Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna film the empty house tour today for you, for her. This is my fit. This is what I'm gonna be looking like behind the camera. It's a rainy day, so I got out my hunter boots. Also ignore the little beep. We gotta figure that out. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna be looking like behind the camera. But we're all ready for my commentary, because let's go. It's also my first time being in the house and all sorts of things. It's pretty cool. Tell me to not just get, we just got an Amazon package. My mom already, I can't make this up. I cannot make this up. Not her already getting, like, I've been here for 10 minutes. Not her already getting an Amazon package. That's so my mom. Sorry, Mom, you gotta edit that out. Okay, let's restart before the Wi-Fi guy gets here because he's still not here and I still need to go get stuff from. Okay. So, first we start off with the double doors in the front. Gorge. Film in 0.5 so that y'all can see more. Here's my feet. So right when you look in, this is what you get. Beautiful, beautiful. Then you go to your right and this will be my mom's office. All the hardware I'm obsessed with, and like all the doors are super heavy and just really nice. The wood floor is gorgeous. We have these type of blinds, shutters. Then if you go this way, this was an option to be my room and I just thought long and hard. These rooms are way smaller and I just didn't like being really close to the front door. That kind of made me feel unsafe. But like, look at these bathrooms. I'm sorry, but I'm obsessed with this tile. This bathroom is so cute with a little window. Honestly, the only reason why I considered having this room is because I have always wanted a window in my bathroom. I've never had like natural light in my bathroom. But you know, you win some, you lose some. The bathroom is gorgeous, the hardware, everything. Just look, so much storage. I will say this house has so much storage compared to the other house. And it's so crazy because technically we're downsizing in a sense. Not really, this house is huge, but like we are because we don't have the second floor and the rooms are smaller, but I'm obsessed with this house. I love it. Like this feels like home. This feels way more comfortable. I just felt like at that other house, we were super stagnant. Here, I just feel like we can settle and we can, you know, I think my mom can agree. We've had this conversation. But anyway, yep, this is the first room. And I think this is the room my mom's gonna make her craft room. Then, right off the bat, we enter this hallway and we enter into the media room. We already have a stand for a TV to go. Black, this is the only place that has carpet in the whole house, which I love. I haven't had hardwood floors since years ago. And I'm so excited because hardwood floors are like easier to clean than carpet for me. Beautiful black walls, gorgeous. I can't wait to be spending my time in here, okay? Then we have a little coat closet. Again, so much storage, just awesome. Like, this house is so like well crafted and well built. Then we have the little dining room, great lighting. Oh my God, all the light bulbs work. A lot of the light bulbs at our old house didn't work, so that's awesome. The thing about this house is like, it's guaranteed to just like work and like, we don't have to worry about much. Then, of course, we have our big, beautiful living room with a beautiful fireplace that my mom will decorate. You know, she'll go to town. Then we'll get to hang our TV up. Let's just talk about the kitchen. Ignore my little things I brought over. Look at this blue island, okay? First of all, this island is gorgeous. This marble is gorgeous. It's so simple, but just beautiful. Like, just look at the detail. Then all this storage, like, I can't even, like, fathom. Like, my mom finally has somewhere to put all her mugs. But watch, she'll still need more room. I haven't even looked in the pantry. Okay, nice pantry. You know what? For us, I feel like the less room to get messy. You know? I don't know if that makes sense. Like, just look at all of this. I am obsessed with this navy cabinet space. The sink, gorgeous. It's very deep. Then we have a gas stove. Love it. Oh my God, the storage, I can't get over it. Double oven, microwave, fridge. It's all gorgeous. It's all gorgeous. We'll hit my mom's room last. So, this is an overview. Oh, this is ugly. I don't want y'all to see that. Okay, so yeah, this is the dining room, living room, backyard, which actually we'll go back over there. And then, of course, the beautiful kitchen. I actually haven't tried these lights. Oh my God, these lights are fabulous. Oh, beautiful. I probably should have turned on the lights before, huh? But that's okay. Here's more of a view. It's amazing. That fan looks fabulous. Then, you know, we have all this. Okay, these are cool. This will be cool storage. Then we have like a little coat place, which is so cute. I hope my mom decorates this really cute, like puts a little cart or like has something here for maybe like our shoes or something. This has a lot of potential to be decorated nicely. So this is our garage. It's a 3-car garage, which is perfect because we have 3 cars, but one is kind of like, you know, a paid off car that we just keep in for emergencies. So that will go right there. And then I can finally park in the garage because I couldn't in the last house. It's super spacey, super huge, perfect for all my mom's Christmas gear because Lord knows she has it. I also love that there is a peephole for the garage. I've never seen that. Then they provided us new washer and dryers. I don't know if new, but they seem new. They seem a lot nicer than the ones we have now. I mean, we have space to put ours too, but I actually haven't even looked in here. Holy! Oh, it's my mom's closet. Holy shit. Okay. I didn't expect that, not gonna lie. Oh, this is perfect for organizing our laundry stuff. Oh yeah. I'm getting ahead of myself. So then we keep going down the hallway, and these are the 2 rooms two rooms I decided to choose. First, let's go into the bathroom. Double sink, double sink, double sink, double. So much storage. I love it. The tile in this one is different. I love it. It's gorgeous. I love that this is like separate. I've always wanted like a separate shower bathroom than like my sinks and stuff. Okay, now on to these 2. So, what I've decided is these rooms are too small to fit all my furniture how the last house did. It's just, there's no way. I guess I could if I cornered my bed, but that's not my favorite thing to do. So, I think, and this room came with these little lamps. I think I might make this my reading room, and maybe we could get like a couch that turns into a bed, so if we ever have guests, they could sleep in the reading room / guest room. I think that'd be pretty smart and effective. But yeah, these are just the closets. Plenty of space for me, honestly. I don't really have a lot. But yeah, beautiful room. I love that these lamps came with it. These lamps are gorgeous. Then I think I've decided to make this my room. But I could switch. Not like after a while. I could change my mind in the next 10 minutes. But as of right now, I've chosen this one to be where I sleep. Yeah, it's just also really tall ceilings, which I love. That's what I love about one stories, is that we get tall ceilings and it just feels spacier, you know, even though it's smaller. Does that make sense? And here is my closet. Again, just so tall, so much room to do. I'm just super excited about being here. Like, I can't get over it. Now I'm gonna take y'all to the backyard in my mom's room for the final bit. Okay, this is the beautiful backyard. I'm obsessed. I haven't even been out here yet. I also love that we have a security system again. Oh, my mom has her own little door. Or I guess, you know. I mean, we got some weeding to do. Look at those weeds. But super, oh my God, look at the tree. I'm so excited. Loki's gonna love it. I love the patio. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. I love that fan. It's gonna be nice in the summer. Ooh, that's a big spider right there. Okay, we'll figure that out. Then this is where my mom's house section of the house is. Or it's her whole house, but where she sleeps. Here's a little side closet. Again, so much storage in this house. It's insane. Like, I love it. Then we have a half bath right here, which is kind of cute. I mean, you would expect this. I don't know where you would expect this to be, but it's really cute. It's a little, hey, how you doing? I love everything about it. Oh my gosh. The walls are green. Okay, I can dig this. Mom. I like this place. Okay. Ooh, what is this? I probably shouldn't be pressing buttons. I don't know. What is this? Oh, shit. Was that me? I don't know if those are working. Oh, there we go. I don't know. Is that the only light my mom has? I guess it's the only light my mom has. But my mom's room is huge. I mean, look at this wall. This blacked out wall. I wouldn't even, what do you call this when it's like out? I don't know. It's gorgeous. Like, what? This is beautiful. Like, my mom's room is insane. But not as insane. Like, I just love this little nook where you can put your bed. Like, that is super cozy. But not as insane as my mom's bathroom, okay? 1, beautiful sliding door. Love that. 2, floating bathtub. What on God's green earth? I need to take a bath in that. Not only she has a vanity with a beautiful view, and she can close it with curtains. Another Jack and Jill, you know? Then her bath, her shower, like, look at the tile on this. Oh, look at the tile on this. Ooh. Then need some WD-40, simple fix. Then we come over here. Like, what is in here? Oh, okay, I'm gonna guess this is the toilet. Yep, little private toilet. And her big ass effing closet, holy shit, that we've discovered leads to over here. It all just makes sense, okay? It's beautiful, so much storage. It'll fit my mom's entire mall of clothes. Oh, what is this? See, lots of things to figure out. Ooh, I guess a towel holder? It's kind cute. But that is the empty house tour. So I did my duties. This was my big job of the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I'm enjoying this. This is gonna be a blast moving in here. I already feel at home. I have to go unpack my car now, wait for Wi-Fi guy to get here, and get the day started. Bye, Mom's YouTube. See ya. Okay. Thank you to Mikah for doing that empty house tour. Of course, now that I have the camera, it's not an empty house because, like she said, I just was not able to be here at the time. So, and this was actually, I'd only seen the house once. I actually kind of go into detail in my vlog. I spill some of the tea on all the houses I looked at. So if you're not subscribed to my vlog channel, it's always linked down below. But I'd only seen this house once, and I was not able to have access to it until, like, you know, the day the lease basically went into effect. And it was also the day that we had the movers coming. So she came here while I stayed there. And this was her first time seeing the house. Obviously, you can tell by her reaction. But like she said, it already feels like home. I definitely feel a connection. And it actually reminds me so much of my construction house, for those of you that like know my history. So it's kind of bittersweet, like in the sense it's like, oh, I don't want to remember the construction house right now, but I guess all things considered, it feels like I'm kind of getting some little piece of it. But anyways, yeah, so I just have all the furniture, all the things. I don't even know like what I'm doing. Entryway table in the last house is not working in the same area. So there's a lot to figure out. If you want to watch me decorate and design this place, then stay, subscribe, turn on your bells so that YouTube will notify you guys when my videos come out. I do primarily hauls, but I also will do decorating videos, seasonal, and whenever I set up a new house, because I've moved a lot. Like if you want to watch me in Florida, like you can go do that and watch all of my setting up my rooms and stuff in Florida. But anyways, we're back in Texas now. Happy to be here. And yeah, so like the furniture is in here now. I got to work on things like my movie poster board. Also, whoever installed this there put it in the wrong place. It's actually supposed to go there because there are the plugs. I don't know. You'd have to run a wire down to those outlets. It was meant to go there. So there's a lot of like things that have to like kind of, you know, get worked out. But yeah, we are very, very happy here. I hope you guys are going to love the content. So I hope you stick around. Thank you to Mikah for filming that video. And she's somewhere back in her corner, not in the room that she chose. She flip-flopped. But anyways, that's it for the empty house tour. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.